The first C-295MW transport aircraft today formally inducted in the presence of Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh at the Indian Air Force Air Base in Hindan, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded lightweight men's doubles sculls team for winning the first medal, silver, at the Asian Games 2022 for Bharat. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar held separate bilateral meetings with his counterparts from Mexico, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Armenia on the sidelines of the high-level UN General Assembly session in New York. Union Minister for Civil Aviation Jyotiraditya Scindia inaugurated the new terminal building at Tezu Airport in Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. India has secured 9 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver and 5 bronze in the Asian Games at Hangzhou in China so far.